Hello friends, you're watching BB Amazing Skills. In this video, we'll show you a real-life test, how foam concrete blocks held up after 2 full days of heavy rain. And the results? Impressive. First, water resistance. Despite constant exposure to rain, the blocks did not absorb excess moisture. They remained dry inside and kept their structural integrity. Second, shape and strength. No swelling, no cracks, no deformation. The blocks held their shape perfectly and remained just as strong as before. Third, thermal insulation. Even after being soaked in the rain, they still retain their ability to insulate heat, which is crucial when building homes. Another big plus, resistance to temperature changes. After rain, especially in cool weather, the blocks dry quickly and don't break down. That makes them ideal for use in regions with unpredictable or harsh climates. And finally, durability. Foam concrete blocks prove to be a reliable building material that can stand up to moisture and maintain quality over time. Even after 2 rainy days, they look and perform like new. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We'll be happy to answer.